Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our today's maths class. In the previous video students, we have finished the probability chapter. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, linear equation in two variables of class 9. So see, observe here the heading student, linear equation in two variables. Here we have to write linear equation by using two variables. So the total chapter is based on this only, and in this chapter you have some graphs also. So first let us discuss the introduction about this chapter. So I am writing here general form of linear equation in two variable students. So what is the general form? Nothing but ax plus by plus c equals to 0. This you have to remember. What is the general form of linear equation in two variables? It is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Now we have to say what are this a, b, c, x, y. So where I am writing x comma y are variables. So here we are taking two variables. What we have to write, student? Equation in two variables. Hence we are taking x comma y, two variables, and this small a is a coefficient of x. This small a is known as coefficient of x, whereas small b is known as coefficient of y. Nothing but this a is in front of x and b is in front of y. Hence a is known as coefficient of x, similarly b is known as coefficient of y. And lastly here we have one term, that is c. This c is known as, student, constant term. Remember this c is known as constant term. X comma y are variables, a, b, c are here, a and b are coefficients, and c is constant. This a, b, c can be any numbers, but variables are constant here. So wherever you write the equation of linear equation in two variables in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Let us discuss the exercise problems. Open your textbook, students, page number 128. In that, see exercise 6.1. So let us see the first question. Express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the values of a comma b and c in each case. So here these are the linear equations given, and these linear equations we have to transform them to ax plus by plus c equals to 0 form, and then we have to write the values of a, b, c. First let us write for the first one. What is the first question, students? It is 8x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. It is already somewhat similar to ax plus by plus c equals to 0, and you have to write the a, b, c values. Directly also you can say what is the a value here. Observe, 8 is the a value, b value is 5, whereas c value is minus 3. How this minus 3 will come, I will show you. So this is the solution of first bit, first one, students. 8x plus 5y minus 3 equals to 0. So here I am writing 8x as it is, plus 5y also as it is, and this minus 3 we are writing plus of minus 3. Again if you multiply this plus into minus, you will get again minus 3. So if you write plus of minus 3 also, there is no change. Now observe, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So here you have to write, by comparing we will get a is equals to, by comparing these two, what you will get, a value as 8, b value, b equals to 5, and c is minus 3. Like that you have to do the comparison and write the values of a, b, c. For the remaining problems also you have to use the same process, students. Next, see students, second one, take this minus 7 this side, you will get the answer. And third one, fourth one also you can do. Fifth one I will say now. Remaining you have to do. See the fifth question, x by 3 plus y by 4 equals to 7. Let us do this. See here, students, for these type of problems you have to first take the LCM of denominators. So you will get here 12. 3 ones are and 4 1s are 3 4s are 12. You will get here LCM 12. So take that 12 in the denominator and now cross multiply. You will get 4 into x plus 3 into y is equals to 7. So 4 into x is 4x plus 3 into y is 3y is equals to 7 into 12. Here also we have to do the cross multiplication. Now 4x plus 3y, 7 into 12, that is 12 7s are 84. Take this 84 this side, it will become minus 84. So for this minus 84 I am writing plus of minus 84. Therefore 4x plus 3y plus of minus 84 equals to 0. Now compare it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. What you will get? A value as 4. So write a equals to 4. B value 3. So write b is equals to 3. And c value minus 84. So write minus 84. Like this you have to do the solution, students. Next, remaining questions you have to do for first bit, students. Now see second bit. Write each of the following in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Find the values of a comma b and c. This bit is also totally same as first bit. So in this also we have to write them in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So see here only one variable is there. There is no other variable. How you will write means I will show for the first one. 2x equals to 5. So see here students, this is the solution. 2x equals to 5. Take this 5 this side, it will become minus 5. So 2x minus 5 equals to 0. And here there is no y variable. That's why I am writing 0 into y. What is 0 into y, students? Again it is 0. So 2x plus 0 minus 5 will be again 2x minus 5. So if we write here 0 into y, there is no change. Hence I am writing 0 into y. This also we have to do plus into. So I am writing here 2x plus 0 into y plus into minus 5 equals to 0. Now compare it with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Then you will get a equals to 2, b is equals to 0 and c equals to minus 5. Like this you have to do the solution. If another variable is not there, then take 0 into y. If x is not there, then take 0 into x. These remaining problems also you have to do in the same manner, students. Next, let us see the third bit of this exercise. Express the following statements as linear equation in two variables. So here we have to write the linear equation in two variables by using all these. So see the first question, students. The sum of two numbers is 34. So I am writing here those two numbers as x and y, and sum of x plus y is equals to 34. Nothing but here it is given as sum of two numbers now. So I am taking those two numbers as x and y. So write x plus y equals to 34. Like this you have to write all these linear equations. Your today's homework is, students, these remaining total problems of first bit and second bit, similarly third bit. In the third bit you have to create the linear equation. And don't be confused, just do the homework and send it in your group. Today's section is over, students.